Today we're in Ivory Road, which is in the Stockmore development in Bridgwater, to show you this fantastic 3-bedroom detached home, allocated parking and garage. This one is fantastic for family living. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home.
All of my patience has run dry, 'cause you've been wasting all my precious time. How do you look me in the eye when I already told you? Well, you come and you go, but baby, this love ain't free. So the record's been broke and we're still stuck on repeat, yeah. Well, you come and you go, but baby, this love ain't free.
If you've enjoyed the virtual tour of this property, if you'd be interested in arranging a viewing, or if indeed you like a valuation on your property, please do get in touch.
17 reasons not to call you back in and start.